Alright, so I done pulled up to the motherfucking wash, man. Gotta do something about that. Yeah. Gotta do something about that shit, man. We gotta go ahead and get this motherfucker washed for $250. Alright, that's how you wash your car for real. You pull up with your own car wash, nigga, and a brush. So it ain't gonna cost me $250 because I'm gonna fill this motherfucker up and then I'm gonna have to pay again so I can rinse it off. $5 car wash. Alright, so this the whip. Y'all welcome the new build to the motherfucking channel, man. I don't know if I'm gonna let it be a surprise or not, but I wanted to get the outside of the car before and after. So this is gonna be the before. Y'all see everything stock on this bitch. From the stock bumper, no backup camera, no spoiler on this bitch, right? No nada. The rims, these 17s, not the 20s. Side skirt stock. Everything about it stock. 17s. Front bumper, not a sport bumper. Hood. Stock. Standard. Need SRT. Open the door. First I'm gonna start off. Y'all know in the door we don't see nothing on this bitch. No Alpine. No Dr. Dre, no Dre Beats, no Harman Kardon, that gotta go. These old ass door panels with this cloth, gotta go. Cloth seats, come on, gotta go. No automatic, what you call it, you feel me? You gotta click and, you feel me? The seat's powered, but the passenger one ain't powered. You hop in, what the fuck is going on? You hop in this bitch, small radio. I'm gonna have to upgrade everything in this motherfucker. It's gonna be a project on its own, so I'm just trying to figure out how I wanna do it, because there's 4 parts that come with this. You got the exterior, which is the outside, the interior, which is the inside. Then you gonna have to go suspension, which is all the everything in the suspension, from the front to the back knuckle, everything that go with it. Because SRT's got the adaptive suspension. And then after that, you got the engine bay. So everything in the engine bay. Supercharger, coolant, all that, everything. Yep. So I might leave it a surprise. I was gonna build a Scat for a minute. I was gonna build a Cat. But I'm gonna leave it up to what y'all think it is, man. I'm gonna start building on it. So yeah, y'all welcome the new build to the channel, man. Last but not least, what I forgot to say. This number 8. Y'all welcome number 8 to the channel. I done had 7 Chargers before this one, and they all was V6s. I ain't never put a V8 in the Charger. I ain't never pulled up, had a V8. None of that with a V8. But nigga, today we got V8. Well, today we getting V8. Fuck I'm talking about. I had too many V6s.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
Well, I'm used to this. This about the regular. Drop me an 8 in this bitch. Y'all leave it in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think I'm about to build. I wasn't even gonna make no video on this, but nigga. For one, it seemed like flies be attracted to this motherfucking car and shit, right? So, all right, that's cool and all. But now I keep seeing these black ass spots everywhere on this car. No, that ain't what I'm trying to look for. Here we go. Perfect circle type shit, right? Right here, boom. Let me zoom out. Here go another one. This one like grayer and shit, right? Here go another one. Wait. Damn, what the fuck is that crack? Fuck that. Black ass fucking perfect circle, right? So, I don't know what the fuck going on. Black perfect circle, gray perfect circle, black perfect black, brown. Nigga, it's more all the way up the car, dog. So another thing is these mugs come off. Look on the mirror. Ugh. Look on the mirror, dog. Brother, So I took a little piece of tissue and wiped it and all this shit come off. But somebody tell me, dog, is these flies leaving these circles on the car? Are these perfect black ass circles? And I ain't washed the car since I got this one. So I'm about to end up washing it and I'm gonna see if all these black dots pop back up. I just feel like they popped up after I got the car, cause I was looking at this motherfucker. They everywhere on the car, dog. Perfect circles, dog. And it come right off. I can wipe the shit right the fuck off. Let me know if y'all ever had this problem with y'all white cars, man. Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother? Alright, so I know I wasn't tripping, nigga. I just came outside. Why is it 30 flies on the fucking car, dog? Man, dude, nigga, I thought I was tweaking, dog. Them black dots, man. These niggas shitting on my shit, man. Look at that shit, bro. It's like, nigga, what the fuck is going on, nigga? What the fuck is going on, bro? These niggas posting on my shit, shitting on my shit, dog. I'm gonna need some anti-fly repellent car wash. Nigga, this shit some bullshit. Oh, y'all get the fuck on, man. Go on ahead, nigga. Fuck on, man. God damn, them niggas coming back, man. Man, y'all niggas hit me with a solution, man. These niggas shitting on my shit, man. These niggas living on my shit, fam.
Incredible. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep going. We need a drink, you know.
Two places at one time, man. Two places at a time.
The beautiful ladies at the D. Hello, beautiful ladies at the D. That's right, go get yourself a drink. I call all that love. I call it. Okay, so what's gonna happen here?
We're trying to pick up everybody's
It's the
face.
sing along, drink along, dance along part of the show.
Bro, that bitch
Alright, so shit. Back at it with some motion. What's good, YouTube, man? Back at it with some motion, man. Pulled up to the G-Way at the G-Studs. You probably gonna see me there all day, every day, cause this the spigot. This the spot. Yeah, I ain't even ready to get no gas. I'm really here on the phone, huh? So, yeah, time to hand down this phone. Type shit.
The next day.
I'm in the city right now. Hold on. I'm in the city right now. What's good, YouTube? Have Emotion gang, nigga. Gonna have Emotion back at it with another video. See, my problem is I don't know where the fuck I don't know where to find these parts for this car until yesterday. Found this dog ass nigga with all these deals. And when I went back to go look for the shit and grab the shit, he sold it already. So that's how fast shit be disappearing. You gotta stay on that shit. Besides that, yeah, got a bill going. Look at this. It's a Hellcat. Look at that blue motherfucker. That bit yellow. Nah, green. But yeah, found a lot of parts, a lot of SRT parts. I just need to go ahead and caught one by one, put them on one by one. I wanted to do the wide body kit on the Charger, but it seemed like it's gonna take me longer to find the Hellcat engine shit. Like, if I change the interior and the body and all that first on the car, then I'm still gonna have a V6 in it, cause basically I'm gonna have a V6 in it, cause bitch, I'm all fucked up. Man, tell me I sleep on my face, man. Y'all don't give a fuck about me. Long story short, man, I want to get the body done on the car while I still got the engine inside the car. So it's gonna be a V6 engine inside the car. Now, if I do a wide body, it's gonna be a V6 engine with a wide body. I don't like that. So I'll probably go slim body SRT shit. You know what I'm saying? Everything slim body. Narrow body, the regular shit. Then maybe in the near future, once I got everything installed in the car as far as interior and shit like that, engine and all that, everything built, then I can go ahead and grab the wide body kit. But for right now, to me, that shit don't sound smart. Putting the fucking wide body kit on, still having the V6 inside this mug. So y'all let me know. But that shit look goofy as hell. You pull up on side the Charger and it gets a wide body, and then that bitch pull off and you don't even hear no scat engine. You just hear, nigga, V6. You don't even hear scat. You don't hear supercharger on the Hellcat. You don't hear no scat Hemi. You don't even hear no RT Hemi. Oh, none of that shit. You hear a fucking V6 with a wide body. Y'all ain't about to clown me, nigga. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get the slim body SRT shit. We're gonna go from there. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm in this bitch yapping. Pull up to the bank. Bank. I ain't doing nothing important at this bitch. This ain't even for me, while I'm in this bitch. Hey, YouTube. Hey, this shit right here, though. Deposit complete, man. What is they saying? Come on, watch what you on. But yeah, man. Just to keep the video going, I don't like how shit going right now as far as a lot of shit. So y'all about to see some changes. Matter of fact, y'all ain't gonna know what the fuck is a change because y'all ain't been seeing me. Motion Gang, y'all ain't been seeing me. YouTube, y'all ain't been seeing me. So fuck a change. Y'all ain't even gonna understand the change. I'm just about to say a lot of shit about to be different from my usual. And not the usual that I've been showing, because it ain't like I've been showing shit. So y'all stay tuned. Cut this shit back on. I'll figure some extra shit out. Alright, so I found myself in the middle of a no-start situation. Back seat out. The location of the fuel pump. Right here behind the passenger seat. You gotta pull up this tab to pop off this damn wire. And yeah, I ain't about to get into all the details. I'm gonna leave the fucking link in the description down below, but now I gotta get this black ring off, so let me get to that real quick. Alright, nigga, fuck this shit, nigga. Hey, I got that bitch off. This fucking lock ring, nigga, that shit took forever. Look at all them chips and shit, nigga. I was beating at this bitch for an hour. I'm gonna check the time stamp on this bitch, but nigga, that shit took forever. So yeah, after you get that bitch ass lock ring off, then you supposed to be able to just pull this bitch up. Fuel pump. With all that damn gas down there. So what I'm about to do again is put this motherfucking phone down. Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna sit this bitch up. Try to catch this shit on footage. Come on, man, that's what man, I know that ain't good. Fuck it. Focus on some more important shit. Gloves, you feel me? Man, that gas strong. One glove, two gloves. Damn, I should have took this watch off. Fuck. I should have took this Apple Watch off because this bitch waterproof, but I don't know about gas proof. New fuel pump. Fuel. Where this bitch go? Okay. Why wouldn't this fucking gauge be installed on this bitch already? Why they gonna make me find this fucking spot? This gas about strong than a bit, boy. I'm getting high. bitch getting blood, nigga. Bro, I do not know how to put this bitch on. I'm not gonna lie. Goofy ass niggas outside, boy. But that was it, shit. That shit was simple. Yeah, that looked like it. They put a fucking zip tie tight as fuck on the damn. So now I need to find something sharp as fuck. Hold on. Let me this flathead to do it. Why would y'all put the damn zip tie, nigga, that fucking tight, nigga? Ah, bitch. That damn zip tie still on here. I don't want this shit in my fucking tank. So I'm about to find something to snap this bitch off real quick. I think a lighter. A lighter. While I'm around this full tank of fucking gas. I need to go ahead and cut this off before I put this on. So let me see. Give me a second. Alright, I got the piece off, but nigga, I might have to pause y'all for a minute because I need to look at this video. Make sure shit's smooth. But yeah, I'm actually pulling this bitch out. Look at that bitch coming loose and shit. It's a little burn out up in there, up at the top. I see that shit burnt out up there. I'm trying to, right up there, yeah, you see it. So you know this bitch done burnt out. Wires, and you gotta take, I think, this one brown tube and them two ones down there that look yellowish, 1 and 2. You gotta take both of them off, this brown tube and this wire and shit, yeah. So let me check this video and I'm gonna bring this shit back up. All right, nigga, and the car started, nigga. Fuck it, nigga. I ain't got too much to say. I couldn't get this ring all the way the fuck back on. So I'm about to go ahead, figure that out real quick. I'll probably shoot up the AutoZone, but nigga, I'm done, nigga. Bitch, nigga, did that shit by my motherfucking self. Got my shit together, nigga. Time don't wait on no man in this bitch, nigga. For real, nigga. Whole fuel pump done. Car started, nigga. My shit ain't been started in like a week waiting on this motherfucking part. So I'm about to go ahead. I need to get that tight all the way. I can't be driving around with that bitch halfway loose. Fuck it. Pop that bitch in. I'm about to go shoot up the AutoZone right now. Put this motherfucking seat back in the car.